Hi, David Adler here. Um, Hi, David Adler here. Here for a new milestone update. So we've added the photos.html webpage. This will be where I have the Flexbox, and it will be um, basically my photo gallery showing off a bunch of things like about me, things I've done. So up here, obviously, we have the citations. I have the navigation bar that I have in every single web page to navigate through the website. And I updated all of them to include the new web page that I have, the photos page. End of navigation bar there. Right here, I have the main class card. I'm going to be using card as Flexbox. So I made the article in the CSS. Flex, it's going to wrap and stretch. I included a custom font with the import URL from the Google font as requested using a custom font. And I put that here. Its name is Caveat. It looks quite nice. So I put 4 things on this page, and yeah, we'll be going over all the text cards and Flexbox. So on the web page, this is how it looks. So we have my first car, which was a 1988 Corvette, which is why I thought it was funny that we were making a Corvette webpage. We have my current car, which is a Challenger. My 2 dogs. This one's named Evie. This one's her brand new puppy. And then we have something I made in high school, a ceramic fox mask in my ceramics class. So yeah, that's everything that is brand new. Yeah.